Hello everyone, myself Aarti Dilip Palve, and today I would like to talk about the pharmacovigilance, and my topic is the terminology of pharmacovigilance. Then first of all, what is pharmacovigilance? Pharmacovigilance is also known as a drug safety. It is a science and activity related to the detection, assessment, understanding, and the prevention of event, adverse drug effect, and other drug related problems. Then the next is the vaccine pharmacovigilance. It is a science and activities related to the detection, assessment, understanding, and communication of adverse drug event and the other drug related problems following immunization and other vaccines or immunization related issues, and the prevention of untoward effects of the vaccine or immunization. Then concept of the day zero, initial receipt date and awareness update. Then it is the original date on which the company, employees, its affiliates, partner were first aware of a case report satisfying the minimum valid criteria is known as the day zero concept. Then the minimum criteria validation. Then identifiable patient, it consists of information of the patient, then the suspect medicinal product, and then identifiable reporting source, and at least the one adverse event. Then the adverse event, it is an untoward medicinal product which may or may not be the suspect drug. Yes. And then the adverse drug reaction. Adverse drug reaction is a untoward and unintended response to the investigational medicinal product related to the any dose administered. Then the unsuspected adverse drug reaction, it is an untoward reaction of medicinal product which is previously unknown and not mentioned in the information brochure, and a summary of the product characteristics. Then the serious adverse event, it or unexpected serious adverse drug reaction, it is an adverse event which include result in death, life threatening, then requires hospitalization or prolongation of existing hospitalization, then the result in the persistence or significant disability or incapability, then the consist of a congenital and anomaly or birth defect. Then the saver event, it is used to describe the identity of a specific event, that the mild, moderate, severe. Mild means no need of medical treatment. Moderate means at least one time taken a medical treatment, or severe means admit in the hospitalization. Then the spontaneous report, it is an unsolicited communication by regulatory authority. It means it is an unorganized data. Then literature, it is an review article which may publish or not. Then solicited report, it is a organized data, and it includes the information of adverse drug report and receive result of a patient support programs, disease management programs, and direct to the consumer campaigns, while provide opportunity for the consumer feedback. The next one, HCP. HCP is a healthcare professional. It means a member of the pharmacy, dental, physician, or nurses, etc. Then the marketing authorization holder, it is the company that regulatory permission of manufacture of market market the medicinal product for a particular region. Then the ICSR, individual case safety report. It it consists of a report of incident of the suspected confirmed adverse event. Then it consists of reception of the case, validation and duplicate data. Then the logging of the case, then triage, data entry, quality review, medical review, etc. Then the consumer, a person who is not a healthcare professional, such as a patient, lover, friend, or the or the relatives, parents, children of a patient. Then the non-suspect drug is a concomitant medications, drug which were taken at the time of the event, but which are not taken the any product. Then the suspect drug which may potentially be important in the etiology of the adverse event. Then the drug dependence. Drug dependence is the physical or psychological phenomenon making the repeated use of a drug compels at least drug long time at a high dose. Then the past drugs, these drugs which were completed prior to the start of the treatment with the suspect drug, and which are not thought to have caused the event. Then the withdrawal syndrome, it is an adverse mental physical manifestations occurring the cessation and reduction of the medicinal product. Then the blind blind is a randomized trial in the medicinal product. Then the normal dose, it more than recommended in the product information. Then the data lock point, it is a point that is a lock, and the cutoff date for the data included signal detection on the report. Then what is signal is an dangerous effect and the high alert to inform of possible casual of adverse drug reaction or the drug. Then the medication error, preventable event that may cause or lead to an inappropriate medication used by the patient, her. Then the suicide case, drugs may have influenced the action. A patient was on a drug before the suicide attempt. Then the drug abuse is the misuse of the drug and the excessive use of the drug. Drug interaction, drug interaction is the any substances interact with the drug and produce the efficacy and toxicity of the drug. Then the lack of effect, any failure of expected pharmacological actions, it means produce the prevention of the disease. Then the placebo is the inactive pill, liquid or powder that has no treatment value. Then the off-label use, it is a drug prescribed for condition other than prescribed for the conditions other than the approved by the Food and Drug Administration. It means a non-approval use. Then the international birth date, it is the date of first marketing authorization of the medicinal product granted marketing authorization holder or it affiliates anywhere in the world. Then the open label trial, Then a clinical trial in which the doctors and participants known which drug or vaccine in being the administered. So thank you.